Saan siya mag-color actually? But I know it has a meaning. Only he knows the meaning of this means. So good luck, little boy, and hope you win. Okay, and hello. Do you understand English? What is your name? Yona. So can you tell Ate Rara the meaning of your painting there? Wow, rainbow and flower. So I could really tell that there are flowers over there. No, very nice flowers actually. And I guess what's the meaning of that yellow symbol? Yes. Oh, it's the sun actually. Is it sunset or sunrise? Sunset! So that she really loves sunset. Okay, sunset lovers, baby girl. Okay, and this, what's your name? Gia, right? Hello, Gia. How old are you? You're 10 years old. Can you speak English? A little. Mapakalaban tayo dito. Are you Korean, right? Alright, so